everyone, this is your favorite purple lady, Amethyst Lady, back again with another video, and this time this video is a special one. So today what I received was a nice package, and what I was able to do is use the funds graciously donated to me by the people who supported my stream on Twitch. Together we were able to get the microphone that I've been wanting for a while now. This microphone here actually started having trouble in the middle of one of my streams, so it was time to replace it. This is a Blue Snowball, had it for a while, great starter mic, but now it's time to replace it with something quite a bit better. So since I already have the HyperX Cloud 2 gaming headset, I wanted to go ahead and round things out. So we're gonna go ahead and see what the HyperX Quadcast is all about. I'm gonna unbox it right here, right now. Once we were equipped with the proper tools, which is scissors and tea, of course, we went to our unboxing of this very special gift from my stream. Take the scissors. I couldn't find my box cutter, so I just went with scissors. Also, just to advise, this is not any sort of an advertisement. I just happen to like HyperX's audio products. They're pretty rad. Eventually, I'll probably get some of the purple headphones just for tournaments. Have to be careful. Let's rip this open. There it is. And this one. Okay. So, look at it. I've been wanting this for so long. Yay! I am so happy. So this is the HyperX Quadcast. The box is a little heavier than I expected. However, I do know that this is not a heavy microphone. I did a lot of research on what type of microphone I wanted, so this is going to be a great fit. Let's go ahead and let's take off this plastic. Also, there will be links in the description to just about everything that I mentioned in this video if you want to buy some of the things, try them yourself. Alright, so there we have the Quadcast box. Let's open it up. Alright, so this slides off. Sliding it off. I'm a professional. Okay. Yeah, there it is. Alright, so let's open up the box now. Alright, so you pull here. Okay. So, first thing I notice is that there is a welcome card. Welcome to the HyperX family. I received one of these with my headphones. And then this is, if you need support, HyperX has you covered. I love that. HyperX Quadcast instructions. And then we remove this right here. There it is. There's the mic. It is very nicely packaged. Very happy about that. Alright, so let's start taking a few things out. So we have the... Alright, this is probably to go on my arm. I have a mic arm, so that's going to be great. This is the actual big boy itself. It's actually much lighter than the Blue Yeti. I wanted something that's going to be light enough to go on my actual mic arm, so it's pretty light. But it does come with the stand already if you would like to keep it on the desk. There's a gain control there. And this is where you plug it in. That's where you select where you want the sound to come from, what setting, cardioid, or what have you, and you tap this for mute. This is the cord. It is braided. I love the fact that it's braided. I'm so happy. Thank you. Okay, so overall, I'm very, very pleased with this purchase and very thankful to all of the people who decided to donate to help bring better sound quality to all of my content. Thank you so much. This will go great on my setup, and once I have some use out of it, once I get to test some things and set things up, then I might do a follow-up, or you might be able to just hear the difference. But I'm gonna go set this up. Make sure you click that subscribe button if you'd like more awesome gaming content. Thank you so much. Bye.